Alright, there we go. I think we got this sorted out now. We were having some issues before, and I think I got it fixed. Yes, it looks like we're working again. Alright, so I'm not really wanting to go over all the stuff that I did before, but we'll do a brief one here. I need to go back to this thing before I forget though. 6. Just so I remember where I'm at. Okay, yeah, so I had to do... Okay, I remember what I was doing now. We're good. Okay, so we are working on a... let's get into the actual site here. So we have a booking site. We are working on just the functionality, not much by way of design right now. And it's essentially to replace a Access database system. So currently the customer has a Access database that has been pretty sure they've used it for over 20 years, and in the last couple of years, because of the pandemic and other stuff, they have actually separated their buildings. They've added and created a brand new building, and the two halves have to talk to each other for the booking side of it. So the old building contains the instructors that do all the lessons for the ski hill. They also do the bookings for the lessons in that office. And when there are school groups or groups of people that come in, they have to figure out how many people per student are they going to do in the groups, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. And they need to know how many there are, and what age groups and all that kind of stuff. So what we have is a problem where if you open an Access database on one server or one computer and you try to access it over the internet, etc., or even on the network drive, that person either kicks the other person out or they can't really do anything with the file, etc. So if the person who organizes and sets up all the bookings is opening it and they're editing it and adding things, and the other person opens the file, that kicks the other person out and they're unable to do it. So that's the problem. It was a hassle before, but they could just walk over and talk to them. Now they're in separate buildings, and it's probably a good 3-minute walk to the new building, so they have to worry about network communications, etc. And the Access database is super slow because they have really poor internet. So we're here working on something. Hopefully we'll get this done by next season. Let's just go over what we've gotten done here. So we have a school list, and right now we just have my own school. We have a phone that goes off because people don't know, and that is a junk mail from the town. We have a booking thing where they can add in the amount or the values here. Really fun stuff, all the things that they want. They can click and save, which I will do just so I can see the thing that it's going to give me. We have a calendar, which is React Calendar. Just install the npm it. You can get this year's. Oh, and there's a text message. Yep, of course. Just sent an email with a poster for the website. Okay. All right, man. I like being on call like this. All right, so we have a like I said, a calendar, React calendar, and it has really cool things. Like it has the standard when you click something, it has an on-change event that you can fire off and hook into that event and do whatever you want. So that's how we're handling clicking the calendar and pulling out the data from the database. So let's go ahead and I've added a row just to get something. Let's go ahead and just show you what it looks like. So here's today. We'll choose 1, which is me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever, sure. Contact name, Cardell. Booking group, how many are in the group? We'll say 36. Grade 11 to grade 12. Arrive at 10. Leaving at we'll say 10 to 4. There are 30 skiers and 6 snowboarders. No lift only. We can leave this stuff. And how many pizzas? We're just gonna say everybody wants pizza. Alright. So if I go here and I click the day, you can see we have that booking in there now. So now we've got a arrival time. If we do this year, it changes to 2021, and it has the date and then all the pertinent information on here. It has the totals, etc. This week will show the same thing, and the day will show the day of the week with the date, and it will just list everything. And then the bottom line is the sum of all of the pizza lunch column and the number in group column. So that is basically how it works. When I click print, so this section right here, this whole area, is set to a specific CSS styling. And this has a media query for print. So it basically says anything with the print element is visible, and everything in the body is hidden. And then it sets the print element to absolute, top left, 0, and 100% width. And what that should do, or what it does, is it sticks this content. The Tuesday will be on the top left, and it will go the entire width of whatever page you're printing it on. So when I print, it only shows the schedule. So this allows them to print off whatever I'm displaying onto a page. So that's how the print button works. It works pretty slick, actually. So we will work on like I have to add a couple other columns in here, like the tube only or something. I guess I don't know. I have to talk with them, find out exactly what they want. But I'm pretty sure this is all that they want on their reports. Yeah. Let's go ahead and continue on with what we were doing. So we were in the process of saving before all like chaos ensued, and I realized that I'm missing a couple of values in here. So I have an add tube column in here. Add tube and lift only, right? And I'm not passing these into the function call, I don't think. So I'm gonna close this because I don't need that now. When I go into here and I look at the object that it posted, lift only is in there, add tube, and tube. Okay, they are in there. Alright. Never mind. I didn't think that they were actually in there. Alright, so do we have everything in there? We've got that's the select. I need the add booking, date ID, contact phone, contact name, the group, the low grade, high grade, skis, snowboarding, lift only, tube. I don't have the disabled in there, and the pizza. Okay. Booking disabled. Alright, so let's go ahead and one, two, disabled, pizza, And that should be it. And yeah. Alright. So if I do this, and I do another booking, contact, we'll say Cardal 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, someone at somewhere.com. We're gonna arrive at 10:30, and we're gonna leave at 14:30, and we're gonna have 15 kids, grade 7 and to grade 8, and we're gonna have 15 skiers, 15 lunches, no disabled, and save. So now this, oops. Okay, so this is all undefined. Why? Booking departure is undefined. Booking pop-up. Set school departure. School departure. Value is school departure. And on change should be set school departure. Oh! I bet you it's this. I bet you it's not E value. I bet you this is just E. E. Rebuild. JavaScript is funky. Alright. Refresh. Here. Contact. Cardal. Ooh, it's an object. See, it is. It is that. Okay, so okay, I need to see what this is. Let's do school contact. I'm just gonna go SCC for now, and I'm gonna go set school contact console log E. Alright, I just want to see what this is. Because if it has, if it's not value, if it's something like text, because it's an input, because value is what the HTML is, unless it's like a capital, because it is case sensitive, but we're just going to see what this is here. Alright, so what is this? So I'm looking for the letter V. Target value. Okay, let's try that. Let's try target value. Okay, so let's go get rid of this now. Target value. Like that. We'll see if that does it. Cardell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. This would be Cardell 2. Someone at somewhere.com. And we're going to come at 10:30 and leave at 4:30. There's 15 people from 7 to 8. 7, 8. 7, 8. Ooh. What is that? Okay, low grade and high grade have issues. What is with that? Low grade and high grade. Low grade, high grade. There we are. High. Oh, pfft. There we go. Okay, we do this again. Typos are real fun. Wait for this to build. Here. Okay. And like I said, 10:30, 4:30. I'm gonna have to find a time picker for that. So 7 to 8. 15 skiers, no snowboarders, no tubes. 15 pizza lunches, no disabled. All right. So if I save this, all right, we got all our values. We're good. All right. So now what I need to do is, when I update the entry, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go fetch, add booking, and then a method is post headers, content, what is that? Content type. I forgot the content type for that. Fetch headers. Cache credential headers, content type, application JSON. That's the one. And then you go body is content booking. Sorry. Then get our JSON response. Console log response is going to be console log response. Alright. And then we are going to get what is the function that we call for it? Oh, that's fine. Show window toggle, that's fine. When I do this, I need to go to the app, and when I show the toggle, because that is click. Okay, so I don't have a way to reload when we come back. So let's do a constant called this with the value, and we're gonna call this set toggle, and we're gonna set booking menu visibility. Alright, so we're gonna go set booking menu visibility v. Alright, so that's going to do the exact same thing. Now, the thing is that I want to go if not v, so we are coming back from closing or saving, refresh the list. So we want to call da, 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 da. See here I have to go and pass in a function. You know, we're not going to do that. You can refresh the page by clicking it again. Or what if we just go if not the set selected date, not selected date, because I think that will change, it will update the other thing. So let's do, is that what calendar is pulling from? No. That means I would have to pass it down, and I don't want to do forward references. Okay, never mind. It's just set show add window. Okay. Alright, we'll just leave it. Ignore it. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to okay, we're fetching the data. So here's our booking pop-up. Alright. Alright, let's try it. Alright, new booking. $15 people from 7 to 8, 15 skiers, 15 lunches, and save. Alright, what do we got here? Add booking. Bad request. Oh, did I not restart the server? Okay, what doesn't it like? That should be a JSON object, though. just do this because we want a data, and then I want to go in here, data. I want to console log content and not do this, but I'm going to do this so it doesn't hang, and we'll close this and open it again. Oh my goodness. Sure, I don't care. Not that. Sure. 15, 7, 8, 15, save. Alright, so it's not parsing it. Why? Am I using cores? Oh, I don't have cores installed. npm install cores save. Our cores equals require cores. App use cores. Oops. Oh, connection refused because I didn't do something properly. I didn't start it. Oops. Not 150. 15. No, not grade 15. There we go. 15 skiers. 15 lunches. Save. Bad request. What's going on here? Unexpected token. Really? Why? Data? Booking school ID. I should see this. Oh! Oh, I have to stringify this. That's right. Okay, one sec here. In here, JSON string. No, not here. I don't need to pass it there. I need to do it here. When I submit it, this JSON stringify to that, and then rerun this. We will close this. Still needed cores. You can't pass the object into the string, send it as a string. That's why. Okay, so here we go. Refresh. Okay. Hey, saved. Okay, we got awesome. We got all of our data in here. That's sweet. So that's working now. So we're gonna go like this. Uncomment all of this. Okay. And then close, restart this. And we're just gonna do a brand new one, and we're gonna say this is Cardell's second booking. Cardell. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Someone at somewhere.com. We're gonna show up at 10:30 in the morning, and leave at 4:30. There's going to be 15 people from 7 to 8, 15 skiers, 15 pizza lunches, no disabled, and we will save. And if I go to bookings and data, okay, so what do we got? What's broken here? Did it throw an error? No, it didn't. Alright, so the booking contact name is undefined, so is the phone. The rest of it seems the arrival time is not right. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So booking contact phone and contact name. Contact phone is the third option. 1, 2, 3. Booking contact phone, right? Contact phone, contact. Okay, yep, that's why. Contact phone. There's no school in here. Alright. I don't know why I have school in there, but booking date, school ID, contact phone, contact group. The date, the arrival time. Oh, they're not even in there. Okay. Let's go after the name. Let's go, booking arrival, and then booking, come on, booking departure, right? Those are the two that I'm missing. Booking arrival, booking departure. Okay. So these are after name. So here's contact. So I need one, two. Booking arrival, departure. And actually, this ISO stuff. I need the let's just see what it says here. It should just be the string, so I won't worry about the ISO yet. And let's actually delete this row, and I want to go options to save. Alright, just reset the oh, and of course it's gonna die. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to pop open the data, and we're going to resubmit this form. Uh, 15, 7, 8, 15, 15, like that. And come back to here, F5. Don't need the filters. Second booking, phone number. Yeah, it's got that in there. Okay, so it's saving now. That's good. So that part's working. So the next step is going to be editing. I don't think I'm going to work on the editing today. I have to go and edit a web page for another customer, so I will go and do that, and then we'll probably come back and work on this later. For now, I think it's a good start. At least we have, so now we have this year, we got the 2, and we have this week has the 2, and if I click other days, there's nothing, but today we have 2. Arrival time here, it's got the total, 40:51, that's right, 40, 51. That's cool. And yeah, everything seems to be working good. If I print, you got that. I think it works good. So once we get the editing down, we'll probably do. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I also have to make it so that the edits, when I print, I have to make it so that the inputs don't print. So I will actually, let me do that right now. So if I go to my calendar display, I want input, visibility none. And just rebuild this. And we will refresh and just see if it shouldn't, if it doesn't show the print button, we're good. Nope. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Not input. Black 10. Black 10. Visibility hidden. Hidden. Because if I can hide the buttons, and then it doesn't matter what we're doing for the edit button here. Let's refresh the page. Control F5. Okay, let's make this inspect. No, we can't do it there. We have to do it in here. Important. Oops. Because we want it to force the buttons to be hidden. There we go. Alright, so what that'll let us do is hide any of the edit buttons that we have on here. So we'll be able to put a edit button at the end, and then we can click on that, and then we should be able to create that button. Calendar view. So at the get the entry headers, generate event row. So in here, I want to add one of these, and this is gonna be a tools button edit, and I want value is going to be school ID. No. Event data. Okay, so when I do the event data is the event row. We'll just put ID, because I think that's what the column is, booking ID. Booking ID. Okay, and then name is going to be edit, and edit plus the event data booking ID. Alright, so we're going to call it edit and then the number, and value is this, the name is that, we'll call it the ID. Yeah, we'll try this. So, and we'll just inspect the code, and it should give us a button that edits that. It should have like booking ID. I should have two, one that says one that says two. So let's just go in here, and there's our tools edit. I forgot to put this in a paragraph. But we'll do that later. So if I go into here, I got one. And two, edit two button. Okay, yep. So we're capturing that. So now we can add in a function that we'll call like a edit function with the value, and we're going to pull the ID. We'll add an endpoint that retrieves that particular one, sets the values, and then shows the window, and we will pass along like that the actual ID, and that way it will retrieve the data, propagate all the form fields that are in the database, and then when we save, it will automatically save that. Yeah, I will have to try and figure out exactly how I'm going to handle that, but it sounds like it would work pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone, and hopefully by the time we are finished this, the functionality side, we'll start working with the design a little bit, make it a little nicer and not so blocky, ugly, you know. But we'll see how this goes. Not quite 100% sure. Why is that overflowing now? I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea. That's really weird. Okay. Anyways, yeah, we'll pop back on later on today, and we'll work some more on the booking system. Um, Hopefully, if you learned anything, as I'm kind of hammering my way through this stuff, that's great. If you have questions, go ahead and leave a comment. If you like this kind of content, let me know by hitting the like button. I have no idea what you guys want to watch. I just kind of throw stuff up here that when I'm working on it, and if I remember to actually record or anything like that or live stream, then I just go ahead and do this. So let me know. Do the cool stuff. Subscribe. We're gonna have some fun here. Get some projects. We're gonna work on some more Cardano stuff in the future. Possibly show one of the projects that we've been working on for the last 8 months or so, at least. And we'll see how things are going in the crypto space as well. Also, Luca Lightbringer is one of my friends. I'll show you his channel here. He does where is he? There he is, Luca Lightbringer. He's one of my friends. He does these videos about crypto analysis and stuff like that. Does music, a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, it's kind of cool. He did this really annoying Crypto Kelly video that if I play it, it gets stuck in my head. But anyways, go check out his channel. It's pretty cool. He does some really good analysis if you're into crypto stuff. And yeah, enjoy. We will talk to you guys later on today.